So we've now had the bulk of our management team hired in place. Fortunately, as the new year develops, we are now in the mode of hiring more of the boots on the ground or further down the organizational chart. We expect to have all those positions now posted, and we'll be hiring in February and farming a lot of people out to other places within the Novant network in the greater Charlotte market, with the expectation that everyone will sort of reconvene on our campus somewhere in April as we begin to prepare for the June 1st opening. We are very definitely privileged to be standing on Novant Health's mission, vision, and values. Obviously, we're looking for people who are hardworking, positive, team-oriented, diverse, inclusive, and really centered on patient care, delivering remarkable care, one patient, one person, one family member at a time for the entire community. I would say at Ballantyne, a couple of things we would like to highlight is the idea of ownership. We want team members who are going to come into this environment and work beyond their job description, work beyond their footprint of their department, if you will, even beyond the hospital, and resonate into the community. We also want to highlight exceptional hospitality, and I use that word beyond service. As we're providing remarkable care and going beyond the walls of our job description, so to speak, we want our experiences with our guests and our patients and the community to be delightful, memorable, so that they really remember the care that they got here, and then that resonates within the community. We're also taking very intentional steps to make this campus accessible to the community, not only for acute care, but for overall health and wellness. We're going to have walking trails, we're going to have a pond, a pavilion, a green space for holiday celebrations, for yoga, whatever it is that this community is asking for. We want this place to be somewhere that they can come, and we're building it on purpose for that reason. Well, as a part of the Novant Greater Charlotte market, we're going to provide access for the Ballantyne area and the South Charlotte market that currently is not there. The growth in this area is off the charts, and it's expected to continue to be that way for years to come. So Novant Health as a market is really happy to be able to provide that access. Especially as patients come, even if they need higher levels of care, we're going to be able to connect them with our sister hospitals in the area to provide them with the exact level of care that they really need. Culture, culture, culture. The Novant culture from the ground up has been very impressive to me from the day that I was interviewed in the very beginning, throughout the interview process, becoming a part of the team, being mentored by people within this market. And I really think that that foundation of quality culture and walking your talk, Novant Health, in my experience, does that better than any hospital corporation I've been a part of. They don't just have posters on walls, they don't just have mission statements, they actually expect and require of themselves that they follow through with all the little parts and pieces that match those narratives. So that's been very impressive to me, and I feel very supported and privileged to be a part of a culture like that.